again, would not be possible to do these things and share from the heart if it wasn't for my wonderful upbringings and the inspirations to music. But I'm going to end in my falsetto fashion here, paying homage to Aunty Genoa Keawe. Here is ʻAlika. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause on guitar for Mr. Justin Murata. And on bass today, Mr. Nakana Wong. Mahalo nui, have a beautiful afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for award-winning entertainer extraordinaire, Kamakakēhau Fernandez. Hanahou. No, I'm being mean. You gotta go shishi. I'm sorry. Love you, my brother. Mahalo to his band and mahalo to all of you folks for joining us once again for Kamaʻāina Sunday. And put your hands together for Haka Entertainment, brother Hanale Kanapu. And Haka Entertainment for providing our sound every Kamaʻāina Sunday. Put your hands together for our ʻIolani Palace staff and volunteers, all of our workshops. The hot dog was good, the shave ice was good. We see you folks August 31st, Toy Supper Gala event happening right here on that Sunday.